Hey guys, so a long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, I made a create escape room. It turned out pretty poorly. I made the trailer, hyped it all up, we played the game, turned out it was garbage. That was my bad. I didn't mean to do it. Yeah, there are a lot of bugs in it, there are a lot of things that could have been fixed, which I didn't. So then I thought maybe I should just make another one, so I did for a while, and I didn't finish it because I had no ideas back then. So then I just put the project on hold for like a couple months. Fast forward to today, or a couple days ago, where I actually decided to make one. I'll just give you a little tour of the area. Okay, so we have the entrance. There's nothing outside, we just came in from a void. Paintings up here. Actually, before we do the paintings, I learned how to fix that. You just have to put some commands on making them invulnerable and stuff. So, there's that. We have some doors here. We have a toilet. We have a fridge that's supposed to act as a little closet. Over here, the classic fireplace, a random tea. We have a globe. We have a little statue. We have some candles. We have our nice dining table. I tried to put a cake here, but for some reason it just wouldn't stay for some reason. So, you know, I just kind of got rid of it. We have some cups here, some goblets, or chalices. I think they're called goblets, what item name. We have a nice picture over here, can't break that. 2 fridges, cabinets, a sink, a nice outside, a cooking pot, and one of these things. Over here we got the pantry, and that's pretty much the kitchen area. Next, let's go down here into this area. Don't know what that's about. There's this hallway, which this seems to be an exit. I'm not too sure, wink wink. And in here is the greatest room of all time. It's the bedroom. That was pretty much that was tour of this small area. Now, I'm gonna go over the answers on how to solve this. So if you do want to try it out, there's a little process you need to do. First of all, I'll put a list of the mods I use in the description, because this is not an actual like preset mod. It's a mod pack that I just kind of puts a bunch of mods together, things that I like to add. So for example, supplementaries or create those things. So I'll put the mod list down in the description below, as well as the link to download the map. I'm gonna go through the answers. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's start. So first thing you want to do is grab all the stuff in the toilet. So if someone has some bloody diarrhea, it's fine. So we got the doo-doo and the poo pellets. Next, under here, there's 2 things. There's 2 of these things. I wonder what these cranks do. Oh wait, you have to get the right combination. So we gotta find that. But let's look at some other things as well. There's these levers over here with some signs on them. And in here, there's a trapped parrot, a statue, and a tiny hole over here. Now you can't get down here unless you're pretty small. We'll get to that in a bit. Also, excuse me for sounding a little nasally today. Allergies are starting to act up once again, so I gotta deal with that. Anyways, outside here, I didn't bother to decorate the outside. Instead, just this tiny little field. We see some type of contraption there. Now, if you see this button, if you press that, you see this drill starts moving, but it's drilling nothing. I wonder what it's supposed to drill. So, we don't know how to do this. We don't know how to do that. But what we do know is that there's this room that you saw earlier. Now, these torches don't see... Oh, wait, I already showed you. Anyways, these are levers. Pretty nice. So we gotta find out the passcode to this, which is somewhere around this building. So I'm not too sure. There's these pedestals where I guess you can put some items on top, so let's try that. Oh, it just immediately goes away. So if you ever do put some random items here, we need specific items. But if the item doesn't match the filter, it just gets launched into here. There seems to be nothing here other than this speedometer. As you saw, there's a couple speedometers like just scattered around everywhere. So we'll have to deal with that some other time. But oh, what's this? If we just right click here, boom, bunny slippers. Put those on, we can jump higher. Another thing that I missed was in here. You see these signs, green, red, green, green. Well, that matches with this. Green, red, green, green. What that does is over here, the fireplace gets distracted, and then you can go down here. Now, I don't believe there's anything here. Nope, there's nothing here. Other than another statue. I wonder what they do. In the kitchen, I actually missed an item. It's in here, which is key 2. So we should be able to open the safe. Wrong. We have the wrong key. But let's just ignore that. We can actually jump up here now. And we just see this small area. But what's that over here? Oh, arrows. Wait a second. I remember where I saw something that could relate to that. So we just make this go to the bottom left corner. And let's go to the right. What does that do? Oh wait, the table goes down. Whoa! Anyways, the reason why the cake wasn't staying there was because for some reason when I brought this down, it just disappeared. So anyways, there's these 2 valve stuff. Lava and water. I wonder where these go. I don't know. We don't have anything to use them for, or we don't have anything to fix that, so let's just leave them alone. Up here though, if we use the same logic as before, we could open this up and find that there's nothing here, but then, boom. There's a shrinking device. Now with this shrinking device, guess what I can do? I can get really small. Look at that, look at me go! Under here, there's a mouse hole where you can click this lever and something happens. I'm not too sure what happens, but we can just see. Also, let's go this way. In this area, we have a small room where we can just walk around here. Now, what we can find out from earlier was that these levers you can actually press. So some of these might not be able to be pressable. So we just have to find out which ones it is. Oh, it already opened, okay. So we do not have the correct key. Let's go back and just wait, try to find the other keys. Oh wait, I just saw something. Oh, look at that. There's a little space in the back. So you shrink, you jump in here, you go in here, key 3. Nice. Also, there's something else in this room. If you look closely at this lamp, there's actually a hole over there. So if you shrink, you can go in, and we see the secret TV room with safe number 2, the key 2. Now, hopefully we have the right key. We did not have the right key. That's unfortunate, but we have 2 keys now. Key 3 and key 2. Maybe key 3 will fit into this one. Yep, key 3 fits. Alright, we have 2 valves and an orange one. Okay. What's the difference between these 2? Unbreaking 4, and oh, look, can be placed on fluid valves. Okay, let's try that. Let's put it in here. Do that. Okay, fits. And we can unloosen it or open it up, and now the lava should be rushing over there. Sweet. Something, if you guys notice this detail, is that there are these statues, so they can actually hold items. So let's just go this way. One there. They can hold any item, so I just used the doo-doo because why not. And let's give you the poo pellets. There it is, the key. Key number 1. So, assuming that we've used key 2 for one of them and key 3 for the other, this must be key 1. Which it is. We can get the blue handle. Let's run up here and place this down here. Boom. Open that up. Now there should be a cobblestone there. Yep. So let's just drill that. There we go. And we can put in more if we want to, but we don't need to, since that should have set a signal somewhere. Now where could that be? Oh, what's this? It's the sack with the engineering goggles. Woo! Okay, let's put that on, and now we get to see these things. Now go back to here and you realize that there's these signs, or colored signs. So there's blue, yellow, cyan, and lime green. So in the bathroom, if you go there was actually a speedometer here, and it's the blue one because there's blue concrete around it. So 12 RPM. Let's go this way, and we can see how many levels is that. So let's go to 12. There we go. Next is yellow. Where could the yellow one be? There's one up here. Yep, there it is. 3. So yellow is 3. Oh wait, I remember, it's in here. 8. And the last one, I'll just give you a hint, it's in here. Let's run down this way. Over here, green, 16. Now it says -2. What could that mean? Well, there isn't 16. So why not just go with 14? Since 16 minus 2 is 14. Alright, big math, big brain. Now, over here, you can see that this light is on. And if you pay close attention, we have 6 items. But There's also these things. They all have in common is they're all unbreaking. So if you just place them down like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go, and we're out. We finished the game. So that's the escape room. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed, thanks for watching. If you want to try it out yourself, I mean, I guess you already did it. And if you want more of this kind of thing, just let me know. I'll try to think of something in my small brain of mine. Anyways, see you next time. Bye bye.